Here's the truth. If you don't own a list, you don't own a business. You're not an entrepreneur. You're an employee of the algorithm, and the algorithm doesn't pay you. Stick with me in the end because I'm going to show you the exact blueprint I use to rank every single video I post on YouTube, including buyer's terms, where I've gotten 12 of the 12 videos in the top 20 results. And I'll hand you the same training and bonuses I use daily so you can duplicate it for any program you choose. You'll see proof on screen in real time, screenshots, payments, and rankings, and I'll give you the exact steps to replicate them before we wrap. If you want the checklist I use daily, watch through. I'll hand it to you at the end. So this is the Home Business Academy Exposed, best way to make money online, and I'm going to break down exactly why this system finally makes sense. You've been told to post more, hustle harder, and pray the algorithm blesses you. That's not a business model, that's a slot machine. If you can't measure list growth, rebuilds, and duplication, you're not managing a business, you're managing chaos. Think Starbucks. Schultz didn't sell coffee, he sold consistency. Your funnel is the same. If your capture page looks like a ransom note, you're leaking trust. If your thank you page doesn't duplicate, or you don't even have either of those, you're killing momentum. Authority is built on the details. Congruence, clarity, proof. The funnel should feel like a great coffee bar. Clean menu, one clear path, no mystery syrups, system, simple sales. If that home, tap the subscribe button. My next video breaks down more videos just like this, showing you exactly how to duplicate our success and why we are the best team with the best bonuses, the best training, period. And we're dominating YouTube. Here's my reality. I woke up to a $28 rebill about 4 days ago. Proof the system works while I slept. Last week, $145 dropped into my bank account, from someone I'd never even spoken to. That's duplication. That's evergreen content plus a list system. I'm at $176 a month residual, on pace for $21.12 in the next 12 months. So, most people are stuck in a hamster wheel, no duplication, no leverage, no authority. Our team flips that script. With the right setup, you're not just earning commissions, you're building leverage that multiplies. You don't need more posts, you need one system that repeats without you. If your funnel, or better, worse yet, if you don't have a funnel and you're just simply sending people to a company page, you're doing yourself a disservice, okay? Again, you don't have freedom, you have a treadmill. Comment duplicate if you want me to audit your capture page on a live stream. So as we move through this blueprint, remember, this isn't just theory. This is the Home Business Academy Exposed. Best way to make money online. And I'm showing you step by step how duplication, residuals, and authority actually work in real life. So here's the blueprint. You go to send people to a capture page. You put your name and your best email address. Then you go to a thank you page, which follows up with emails on autopilot. That builds know, like, and trust. The thank you page where you tell your story builds know, like, and trust. And those emails can, if you go into Aweber, can be set up in seconds, okay? And now, if you have our training and our system, which I'll show you in just a minute, you can rank any video for any company on the first page of YouTube, okay? Think of this like a relay race. Capture hands the baton to thank you to the follow-up to duplication. No drop passes. Okay? Screenshot this framework is the only map you need. I cover my subscription in the first 30 days. That's the compounding effects and residual, and I actually went in profit. Authority grows with every upload, every follow-up, every rebill. Likes don't deposit. Residuals do. Hit the bell and subscribe tomorrow, and we'll continue to drop content and show you how to grow this business, okay? And here's where it gets real. When you lock arms with us at the $10, $25, or $100 level, you're not just getting access to a program, you're unlocking 2 powerful bonuses, completely free. Simple Freedom Warriors and Team Freedom Warriors training. This is the exact training I use every single day to rank my videos across social media. On YouTube, every single video I posted since plugging into this training has ranked, not just for broad terms, but for buyer terms. When there's even been cases where I get 12 or more videos in the top 20 results. That's domination. Now I want to show you actual rankings. Give me a minute. And then I'll show you actual income, so you actually see that I know what I'm talking about, okay? So, I'll go to the Home Business Academy Honest Review. As you can see, it says incognito, so it's real, okay? And there's my video from August 10th, right? And there's a Instagram video. And another Instagram with my YouTube post embedded. Okay, you just click on my Instagram post. Another Instagram and another YouTube video. There's another Instagram and then another YouTube video. And another Instagram and another YouTube video. And these are actual Google first page rankings, okay? Where I'm dominating for the Home Business Academy Honest Review. Now, I'll do the same thing with YouTube. There's a teammate, and there's a Home Business Academy Compensation Plan 2025 unlimited income. And then look on related videos. One of my videos is showing up, and then there's another one from me. Okay, I'm not going to spend too much time on any one video. So, Dream Blueprint, I want to show you one thing at the end, so I'm trying to save some time. Right there, from 3 days ago. Okay, and there's another one, and another one, and another one. Okay, Dream Blueprint on YouTube. There's a video right there, the #1 video. Another one from a month ago, and another one, the whole playlist, which is updated today. Another one for 2 days ago. Another one from 4 days ago. As you can see, this is just one term. This is Andrew Guthrie. Okay. This is the DFY marketing system. This is what I wanted to show you. Now look who has the #1 post video, sorry, the #1 result on Google for this term, right? And there's an Instagram post and another and another and a YouTube video, okay? First page of Google. Now look what happens when I actually go to DFY marketing system, okay? #1 video, and there's 2. I'm going to count how many. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Another teammate, Ari Ortiz, using their training. 12. I could keep going, and I will. 13, 14. Here's a teammate, Postcard Lifestyle. 15. Another teammate, Andrew Guthrie, 16. So when I show these results, think of you and your team, okay? Another one. And another one, and another one. I think we have 2 more to get to 20. There's Andrew Guthrie again, 19. And there's 20. 20 videos from one term, okay? Now imagine taking that same training and applying it to your own program. You'll know the daily steps to rank consistently, not just you, but your team. Build traffic, generate leads, and even sign-ups and sales. And here's the kicker. Your team gets the same training too. That means duplication, instant commissions to your favorite payment processor. Because with Simple Freedom Warriors, we're giving you a bonus. This is the same training I'm using every single day. You get a bonus where you get the level for free, right? $7 level. At that $7 level, you get a mains training, okay? But you also get to unlock commissions up to $1,500 instantly, okay? Even as a $7 member. Now, where else are you going to get instant commissions to your favorite processors? And you can put in multiple processors, right? Instant commissions. Now, when you come in with the Funnel Builder, the Let's Go app, and Premium together, you unlock a powerful bonus, okay? It's actually 2 bonuses. You unlock something most people never offer. I'll add your affiliate link into my team rotator and personally buy traffic that flows to both of our links. The smart person will get that bonus right now. We'll lock in arms at 3 different residual levels, the $25, the $10, and the $125. And I'm going to buy traffic for both of us, and we'll split it 50-50. And I'll help build your email list, and where you can plug in your system and get 150 emails in our training, okay? And we'll get you, we'll start building know, like, and trust, and potentially get you some sales, okay? And I'm not saying don't do anything, but if you don't, I can still get you start building your team, okay? And getting people looking at your page, right? Now, that means you're not just left guessing how to get your first click. You're plugged into a system where leads start hitting your list immediately. And here's the kicker. When someone joins you at this level, because you can have your own rotator, they don't just get into the rotator. You also add $128 a month in residual income to your bottom line. 20 from the Funnel Builder, 8 from the Let's Go app, and 100 from Premium. 80% commissions, imagine that. And you even feed starving kids meals, okay? Every new person at this level is both a momentum for your team and a predictable raise in your monthly income. And because they get the same rotator bonus, they can pass it on to their team too. That's how duplication actually works. You have a service that actually has been around for like 10 years, and you get your, you get a rotator, you get bonuses that real people really need and want, okay? And then you actually become the leader people want to join, okay? Because we have the best team, we have the best training, we have the best system, okay? And I want to show you actual payment proof, okay? So I'm going to go back over here. Okay, this is the Funnel Builder Academy. It actually shows you as an AI assistant, done for you funnels. Like, you can actually plug these funnels in and they're done for you, but we can actually set you up your own branded funnel that brands you, okay? That's amazing and powerful. As you see here, it's a $34.50. If you need to pause it and go back to it, you can, okay? $34.50. This one's loading really slow. I don't know why. As is this one. I don't know. I'm going to refresh. Give me a second. Okay, $34.50, $83.05, $145. As you can see, the $145 was just about 8 days ago, and $6.50. So now I'm going to log into my online banking account. Okay, I'm going to go to log in. As you can see, this is real. Look at the $145 right there on the 10th, 1 day later, right? Then these are deposits, okay? $6.50, $34.50, and $83.05, just like I said. And we have amazing products, okay? I'm going to show you some actual real training, okay? So I'm going to go back to my video. I think it's right here. So we're going to click on this right here, this title. Let me spread this out just a little bit. Okay. I'm going to copy with my mouse. Okay. I'm going to go back to this right here. I'm going to cover this title. Okay. You can make any video a funnel. Paste. Okay. Now, you see how it changed? Okay, so we're going to go back to the video. We're going to share. We're going to copy the link. Okay, we're going to go back to our video page, a video funnel. We're going to edit, and we're going to paste in here. And watch this video change. Can you copy and paste? Can you follow directions? Can you watch simple videos that teach you exactly what you need to do? Okay, so now we're going to take that, go back to that funnel page, right? That video page on YouTube, right?